Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair review on this absolutely beautiful, most natural water wave hair. I ordered this hair from ISEEHAIR company, and this unit is a part of the Princess series. It is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It is the Brazilian water wave, excuse me, lost train of thought. It's the Brazilian water wave. I have it in 24 inches. The density is 150%. I had seen a few videos on ISEEHAIR, and I wanted to know, like, what's the real tea on it. Very beautiful hair. I've seen pictures on Instagram. I've seen pictures of it on Facebook, and I really love the water wave texture. Between that and the deep curly was my top two favorites. So I was like, you know what, let's order and see. And I have been wanting me some really nice summertime hair where it's like really low maintenance, and I feel like this is definitely it. I ordered, it took about a week for me to get it. I ordered around a little bit before Valentine's Day, and I got it after Valentine's Day, which is all good. So the shipping took, like I said, a little bit over a week. The price of this unit ended up being around, it was less than $200. I can definitely tell you that. It was about $190 with tax and everything. Free shipping. I had a coupon code. I will leave the updated coupon code that they have floating around on Instagram, and I think on YouTube as well. I'll leave that down below so you guys can save some coins too, like I did. In the box, all it came with was the pamphlet, and the pamphlet just goes over the hair care tips. And it came with these 3D ISEEHAIR, I guess these are mink lashes. Yeah, mink lashes. They're kind of cute. I may wear these. But this hair, girl, this hair is so full. Like, it is so full. It's partially dry. Around here, it's pretty much 90% dry, and here it's still a little damp. I bleached the knots on it, and yeah, that's it. I will show you guys in the video how I adhese it down. And yeah, this hair, I'm 5'7", so I'm gonna show you guys how long the hair is on me. Very pretty. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Such a beautiful unit. Like, seriously, ISEEHAIR, y'all did that. I'm probably going to be, this is going to be my spring and summertime unit, so you guys will see her coming back again on plenty of videos. I love this hair. I don't plan on doing anything else other than wearing it in its natural state like this. I'm fine with it being like this. I'm pretty sure it'll get much bigger once it dries completely. Yeah, and for this to be a water wave, I love how this looks. So sometimes with water wave hair, it can be like a really long wave, kind of like body wave hair, but I love this. And I mean, I need to stop playing in it before it starts to get a little too poofy. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I, from start to finish, on how I got from out the box to here, then definitely keep on watching. To my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. To my old subscribers, thank you guys as well too. I appreciate each and every one of you all that take the time out your day to watch my videos. That means so much to me. And yeah, so let's get going. Up before you go, I say this in every video. You already know. Make sure you like, leave me some love down below. Let's chat. And subscribe. Y'all know y'all want to be friends with your girl. Hit that subscribe button. Let's be friends. And yeah, until next time, as always, bye guys. Okay guys, so I'm just showing you everything that came in the box, the unit, the hair care tips, and these 3D mink lashes. Now the hairline did come pre-plucked, however I did pluck it some more for my liking after I bleached the knots. And I bleached the knots for about 40 minutes using 20 volume developer. This hair was so pretty after I washed it. So pretty, look at that. Now this is going to be a quick install because I literally changed my hairstyle the very next day. And I'm going in with my Got To Be gel. And on top of that, I'm going to be going in with my Bedhead Hardhead Extra Strong Holding Spray. And I'm just blow drying it on cool setting until it gets tacky, and then I'm ready to apply my unit. And you want to take your time with this. Some of the sides did not adhere down, so I just went back in with my holding spray and the blow dryer. Now look at that hairline. Yes, girl. Now after I cut my legs, I went in with the Nairobi foam wrap lotion. This is my absolute favorite. And I just went in with my satin scarf. And I'm going to go with my blow dryer because I want the ultimate melt. And I'm just blow drying it on warm setting. Just wait for it. Here comes the melt. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. As always, love you all.